This is Frontierland Station.
And as for your Frontierland Station, friends, please remain fully sitting down until I give you the words, that's all clear. Please remain fully sitting, fully on board the train. Remain on the train at this time, please. All clear, now you may feel free to disembark. Please watch your head and step as you exit the train. Our one and only exit for this station, friends, is gonna be to the front of the train, over near that fire marshal barrel. So my friends with strollers, please make sure we are unfolding them outside those exit gates. Thank you.
They are doing a lot. We will. Sister, what is space distance? This one. See it up there?